Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's fast-moving industrial world, precision, strength and reliability are more important than ever. Introducing the Stud 2500 drawn arc stud welding machine from Cruxweld Industrial Equipments Private Limited. Engineered with advanced inverter technology to deliver outstanding welding performance with maximum efficiency. Designed for modern industries, the Stud 2500 combines power, precision and intelligent control to achieve superior welding quality in every application. At Cruxweld Industrial Equipments Private Limited, we are committed to delivering innovative welding solutions built for industrial excellence. With a focus on quality, performance and customer satisfaction, our machines are trusted across fabrication, construction, heavy engineering and manufacturing industries. The Stud 2500 is a high-performance drawn arc stud welding machine developed for heavy-duty industrial applications. Powered by modern inverter technology, the machine offers stable arc performance, faster response time, energy-efficient operation, compact and durable design, excellent welding consistency. Unlike conventional welding systems, inverter technology provides better control over welding current, ensuring smooth and reliable weld quality every time. The compact structure and user-friendly controls make the Stud 2500 easy to operate in both workshop and on-site environments. The Stud 2500 is equipped with intelligent digital controls for accurate parameter adjustments and repeatable welding performance. Digital parameter setting, fast arc ignition, strong weld penetration, low spatter operation, high welding efficiency, reliable thermal protection system. Its advanced cooling system allows continuous operation during long production hours without compromising performance. The machine is designed to deliver stable and powerful welding output even in demanding industrial conditions. The drawn arc stud weld process is fast, efficient and highly reliable. First, the stud is positioned on the workpiece using the welding gun. Once triggered, an electric arc is generated between the stud and the base metal. The stud is automatically pressed into the molten metal, creating a strong metallurgical bond within milliseconds. This process ensures excellent bonding strength with minimal distortion and superior finish quality. The Stud 2500 is widely used in steel fabrication industries, shipbuilding projects, construction and infrastructure, industrial equipment manufacturing, bridge fabrication, electrical panel production, heavy engineering applications. Wherever strong and reliable stud welding is required, the Stud 2500 delivers unmatched performance. With advanced inverter technology, intelligent engineering, and industrial grade reliability, the Stud 2500 from Cruxweld Industrial Equipments Private Limited is built to meet the demands of modern manufacturing, delivering power, precision and performance every weld every time. A Stud 2500 modern technology from excellent welding quality. For more information, product demonstration and industrial welding solutions, connect with Cruxweld Industrial Equipments Private Limited. Thank you.